Hello, Tara here. I did something kind of different for me. I purchased one of the secret boxes, number one for 2025 from Creative Memories, and I have not purchased from Creative Memories in years. So I kind of wanted to see what their deal was. You know what I mean? So I've already looked through this, and this is not, if you know me, you know I like dimension and thick papers and so on. That's not Creative Memories. So we're going to have to do something to make it our own, my own. So these are the papers. And you don't, when you order these secret boxes, you don't know what's coming in it. But I was pleasantly surprised. So in the pack, you got the designer paper pack, which is 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided printed paper, and doesn't have the weight on it, but it is a much thinner paper than what a lot of the scrapbook companies provide these days. But really interesting, and I've already flipped them over, so it's like kind of, that's the front and this is the back. So really interesting patterns. Love this. Get some constellations there. Phases of the moon. I should do a layout on Lyme disease and how the phases of the moon affects pain and whatnot, because I tell you what, when there's a new moon or a full moon, you feel it. So love this coloring too. Not sure what I'm going to use most of this for, but I really like it. And then it comes with the accent paper pack, which has 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided printer paper with one-sided foil treatment. So, and oh, I didn't even notice it. On here it shows coordinating cardstocks that would go with it. So you've got a Starry Night shimmer, a gold shimmer, bronze shimmer, Vista shimmer, and navy. If you're Creative Memories people, you will probably be familiar with those. Now these are a little heavier, which I like. So I love that. I thought that one was really pretty. Oh wait, these are 2 sheets. Still, it does feel a little heavier. And then that's the back of that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. Again, super, super pretty. And I know, oh, and then this isn't part of that. I just had ordered some other things. So then it came with these puffy stickers, which I think are somewhat new maybe for Creative Memories. But so you've got, basically these are kind of weathery type symbols. And then on the back you've got some words, so that's nice. Full moon, we're all stardust, lunar eclipse, many moons ago, solar, superstar, moonlight magic, sunshine, shiny twinkle. To me, these kind of strike me as something you would use for baby photos. So that would be one kind of one area you could use this collection for. And then it comes with, oh, how many pieces? 125 puffy stickers in that. And there are, like, they filled it up with like little dots and starburst type things. So I like when they make use of that space. And then here I've got the 40 die cuts. They're foiled. They're a nice size. Like, you know, sometimes you get these die cuts and they're not scaled right for a 12 by 12 scrapbook page. So this is nice. Okay, good. They're a good weight. Okay, oh, and they're mostly titles then. well, this pack part is, you are my starshine, my lucky star. Love you to the moon and stars. Okay, so baby type stuff. Or to me, that would, for those would be nice for bases for embellishment clusters. And then some borders, because Creative Memories like their borders. But they're all foiled and totally excited. Oh, that's neat. And then, actually I won't open all of them, but you get an idea of what you get in there. And, oh, and I already put it away, my bad. I got, it comes, every one of these this year is going to come with a border making cartridge. So you do need the border making system. So I didn't have that. So I did order it. I don't know, can you hear me? I'm a little over here. Where is it? So this is what came with the kit. I don't know if you can make that out. It's stars and kind of woo-woo, like almost like a wind representation shape. So that'll be fun to use. Because I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm really curious to see how that goes. So how am I going to make this work for me? If you saw my haul from Glitter and Ink a few days ago, I purchased the Starlight Dreams collection, and I think that some of these will work. Not all, because it's got some of this teal in it, but overall, I think definitely the solids, definitely say wood grain. Let's see here. I think these cards will mix in nicely. I should have, say, this one out. You know? So I felt like this was maybe a good collection to mix in. So, and then I did see that Scrap and Happy Studio has a set that she just released that is meant to mix with the 49 and Market. So I think that would be nice with it. But what else can I do to make this work for me? My first thought is going into some florals. Let's see, are these two, those are too teal. What else do I have here? Even, so, maybe not. I need more of a navy, don't I? Oopsies, breaking stuff. Let's just look here quick. So something like that might work, because you've got some blue, you've got the corrugated brown, so that would work. That's Bella Boulevard. Then you go into, say, something like this in the Freckled Fawn, the gold. Those will work, not necessarily if I use the puffy stickers at the same time, because that's more of a an aged gold, whereas this is a shiny gold. Oh, Canvas Flare. What do we got here? These are the vintage Canvas Flare buttons that she's just started using. So just depending, something like this might work. See, this is more, I would say, oranges, whereas the 49 and Market is more yellow. So if I bring in the yellow, that, well, I don't know. What else have we got? Do I have any navy? Okay. These might work. These are more black than a navy. However, in a real dark navy, that will work. Let's see if I've got any baby ones that would work. I don't have a whole lot of baby right now. I've got this. I've got this. Well, this one absolutely will work. Look, you've got your sun, clouds, hello little one. Yeah, those will be pretty. Okay. Dogs, maybe not. Birthday, I don't think. Well, no, I don't have anything that'll. But, what else? Oh, I was going to look at the sequin mixes to see what I have. Rachel Talman can be a little pinky, so let's look in the Spiegelmum scraps. So, depending on the photos, say if you have green in it, or even if you don't, this has the darker colors, this road trip. What's that one? These. Is that the same one? Can't more, worry less. Oh, yep, they're both the same. My bad. My bad. But my point of doing this was, I haven't ordered from them in a hot minute. Like, I mean, when I started, I think I know I went to some crops that were put on by Creative Memories consultants, and I know my first few albums were the Creative Memory albums, but I found they got way too full because I like thick product. So anyway, okay, how about some sequin mixes from this is from Intrinsic, from Not Just for Boys. It has the browns and the kind of a coppery brown and a couple colors of blue. That'll work. So this one, Travelogue, again, more blues and some green in there, and a nice kind of a different, not so much copper, but a little more platinum-y brown, if such a thing exists. What's this one? Is that the same? Oh, that's Journey. A lot of Not Just for Boys end up being somewhat similar, just because their color palettes are usually, well, this one might be a little more nostalgic, has the yellows in it, which would look nice if you're going to use some of the chipboard from, so that's from Noteworthy, the kit. So we'll add those in. I probably have orange florals somewhere. I'll have to dig those out. Which, again, if you're going orange, you could almost, it turns into, you know, kind of a little more autumny, you know what I mean? Altenew. Okay, these ones here look like they would be good with the Creative Memories papers. Okay. That is Northern Shore, because it's more of it's not like a navy, it's a little more gray. But based on the photos you use, I think if you pull some of those colors out and use those for accents, that helps to really bring it something together. So maybe we'll kind of leave it at that, because most of these prima ones might work nice. have to see when I get going what's interesting me. So I'm excited to get working with this. Yeah, I'll have to dig out some baby photos. And like I said, I might do something about Lyme disease and the phases of the moon, and then maybe something with horoscopes. And then this, I mean, moments, memories, thankful, lovely, spirit, bright, always. If I mix those in, it just, it takes it into a different, like, you don't have to be stuck on just like moon and night sky paper. So, and do I might have taken some of that supermoon. What was that last year now? I can't recall. I have to look, but I'm pretty sure I did take some pictures of that. So I think I'll, once I get looking, I will find lots to play with, and it's just a matter of doing it. So I will get to that and get back to you, and let me know if you're a Creative Memories gal and guy, whatever, and if you got the secret boxes last year, and if you're going to do it again this year. I went through what was in them last year, and they looked all pretty interesting, so that's kind of what prompted me to go with this one, and yeah, pretty excited. So we will get back to you again soon with this. Thanks for hanging out and spending time with me today, and we will talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.